Here we have another sequence, and we're going to try and find the nth term of this sequence. So if we look at the sequence, we can see that the first term is 2, the second term is 5, the third term is 8, the fourth term is 11, and the fifth term is 14. These are the term numbers, n, which you'll find in your rule, and these are the terms. So to find the nth term, we first of all have to find the differences between each of these terms. And if I look at the differences, I can see that we're adding on 3 each time. So the first part of my rule, therefore, is 3n. So now I need to create a sequence from this rule, 3n, to compare to my original sequence. So I'm going to substitute the term numbers into this rule and create another sequence. So where n is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. Where n is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. Where n is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Where n is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. And where n is 5, 3 times 5 is 15. And now I want to compare this sequence to the original one. So I can see, what do I have to do to this sequence to get it to be like this sequence? Well, I can see that if I take away 1 from 3, I end up with 2. If I take away 1 from 6, I end up with 5. If I take away 1 from 9, I end up with 8, and again take away 1 from 12 and I have 11, and if I take away 1 from 15 I have 14. So the second part of my rule is -1. So my rule for this sequence is 3n minus 1, and I can check it. If I substitute 2 for the term number where n is 2 into this rule, 3 times 2 minus 1 equals 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1 is 5. And I can see that that is correct.